Okay guys, for today's recipe I have potatoes and carrots and chicken marinated for 24 hours. I put some relish and soy sauce and bay leaves. Okay, and black pepper and salt. And then guys, yung adobong chicken ko, lagyan natin ng bell pepper. Sayang naman kasi ito kapag hindi ko ginamit. Masisira lang. And meron tayong garlic at saka onion. Okay guys, i-fry natin ng konti yung chicken. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng sibuyas. Okay guys, linagyan ko ng bawang yung sibuyas. Hintayin natin mag-translucent and fragrance na yung bawang. Okay guys, let's put 1.5 cup of vinegar, okay? And let it boil a little bit. Don't mix it. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng dark soy sauce. 1/4 cup. And then 3/4 cup of water. Black pepper. A little bit salt. Guys, lagyan natin uli ng bay leaves, okay? And then oyster sauce para dagdag linamnam. And then guys, linagyan ko ng sili para may kick yung adobo natin. And then guys, mix it well. And then cover it. Let it boil. Then guys, lagay ko na itong adobe mix kasi sayang naman. Okay guys, lagyan natin little bit of yum. Okay. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Para may konting tamis. Then mix it. Then guys, isama na natin yung potatoes and carrots. Continue to cook. Okay, until fully tender. Kapag para lumabo yung mga vegetable natin ng konti. Okay guys, this is my adobo with bell pepper. Linagyan ko ng bell pepper kasi sayang yung bell pepper ko kung hindi ko lalagay. So, yun ang twist. May bell pepper, tsaka yung relish, but it tastes good. Okay? So, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Take care. Please subscribe and like and share. If you don't mind. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.